What's up, everybody? So today we're going to talk about the joys of owning multiple cars. So multiple cars meaning I have a 3-car garage. Behind me, see 1, 2, 3. I've got lifts, and I've got a situation where I no longer want to leave my 3000 outside. So today we are in the process. So, as you can see, I've moved the motorcycles to the corner because the only thing that was really back there that I needed was my fridge, which I now have moved to fit both motorcycles into some, I'm not gonna say wasted space, but it's definitely space that I don't go back there a lot, unless I was gonna get a Corona, which the Corona's right there now. So I'm gonna try and clean this whole entire section up here so we can now slide another car in. Initially, I was thinking to slide the NSX in here, but it's gotta be something that's not the longest car. So I was thinking about putting the Corolla over there, but I don't want that car to ever get scratched. So I'm gonna keep on going and see what I figure out. So while we're talking about owning multiple cars, so multiple cars are cool on camera. It's not cool like behind the scenes. Like sometimes to get one car out, you have to move like 4 cars to get out. People that have multiple cars know exactly what I mean. Like sometimes I'll wait to drive a car that I haven't driven in a couple of days or a couple of weeks, and it'll be covered or be dirty, or by the time I move 3 cars and finally get to it, then that damn car's battery is dead. Now I gotta find a jump box and go back to the car to jump it, to move it out, and then by the time you get the car out, to put the car back, it's like a 30-minute ordeal. So it's kind of like, it's not like, well, oh, cars are run, I can jump in and drive any car I want. If you don't have the correct space, it's a total pain in the ass. So I am also venturing to find a warehouse just to move the cars and keep them, because I kind of started with the garage so I can do work on it and have space. And with 2 lifts in the garage, you really can't do much. Like once cars are in, it's just storage. So I gotta figure something out, but that's just my rant. It's not like a bad rant. I'm not ungrateful for anything. I'm happy for everything I have. Trust me, I work hard, and I mean, I'm just grateful. I'm blessed, but sometimes it's like, if I want to take the Supra out, I can't take the Supra out because it's super loud and it wakes everybody up. It vibrates the house. The garage will smell like 85, and then you open the door to go inside, and all the air from the garage sucks into the house, and then I gotta hear my wife like, oh, the house smells, the car smells, da da da. So I am working on just trying to move all the cars somewhere out of the house. That way she can have access to the garage as well too, because her getting in and out with the kids, sometimes the cars are outside, especially her truck is outside. Heat soaks the car, she gets to the truck to put kids in. It's just, it'd be nice if she could have the garage, so it's more convenient for her as well too. So that's just my little rant. Alright, so took a break, still at it, got a lot of stuff moved out the way. I really do want to wash the car before the night's over, just because it's one of the last 2 to clean, but made a little bit of progress as far as getting stuff moved. So was able to move the tread wheel back, did move the motorcycles out the way. I'm gonna try and vacuum up some of the stuff on the side and slide car and just get a feel for it. But before I can do anything else, I still got to get this stuff put away, because I'm going to put the 8.6 back on the far right lift, because it's the car I drive the least, and I'm going to put the Supra up on this lift because I don't drive it that much because of the noise with it. And I am going to leave the NSX, the GTR, and the VR4 down, just because those cars are the quietest of the 3, and I tend to drive those a little bit more. The Supra, like I said, it's just I don't drive it much. It's just right now I still need to send the turbo back to Precision so they can fix a leak on the turbo. I still want to get the big brakes put on. They're still sitting at the shop, and I still want to send it back to Tampa so induction can go ahead and fix the Pro 5 display on the inside of it. other than that, that car is fine, and try and get it wrapped up tonight. Let me get back to it. Well, took a while, but they're all in. All 5. We got the 600 charger. Gotta love it.